Strike up the bands. Congratulations. You are now on your way to becoming a skilled, culturally responsive educator, a leader for equity, and an advocate for change. How can you do this? You have to lead by example. Share your new ideas and teaching practices with your colleagues. Question your practices that aren't being productive. Create those positive relationships, not only with your students, but their families. When you create relationships with the families, you form partnerships in a child's education, setting them up for even further success. Strategize ways to reduce the predictability of who succeeds and who stumbles just based on race, gender, social class, language. Make sure to include culturally responsive techniques to build your students' brain power, thus fostering independence. And engage in those courageous conversations, the one that make you think outside the box about race, bias, structural racialization that actually limit our learning opportunities, not only for ourselves, but for all culturally and linguistically diverse students.